Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to download Chrome on Windows 11. So firstly open any web browser, then here type Google Chrome. Now open this Google Chrome download. Here you will see official link google.com, Google Chrome web browser. Now click on download Chrome, and also guys you can update if you have already. So just you have to click on download Chrome, and once you successfully download you have to click on install. So this is the way guys you can download Google Chrome in your browser. And also guys you will see this instruction. Step 1, open the Chrome setup.exe file from the downloads list at the bottom left corner of this window. Then allow if prompt, click install anyway and yes on the system dialogs, and in the last install, wait for the installation to finish. Chrome will open automatically when it's done. So thanks for watching guys. Please comment this video useful for you or not.